Hello everyone, welcome back to the tutorial. In today's video, we will explore the expense menu inside CoachSys. By watching this video till the end, you will learn how to add expenses. How can you separately add expenses related to stock, product, and not related to stock service? How to save supplier or vendor information, the name of a person or entity from whom or which you are purchasing products or services frequently. How does purchase affect stock quantity in CoachSys? Where can you view all expense vouchers in list form? So let's get started. First, navigate to the expense menu. Inside this menu, you'll find two submenus: Add New and All Expenses. Let's start with the Add New submenu. When we click in Loads, we can see a message at the top saying, you have to create a head first to make purchases and record other expenses. Below that, you'll find a search text field with the instruction. Type the full name to search any existing or to add any new person or entity. Using this field, you can create entries for a specific person, supplier, or even an organization name. Inside the expense module, there are two main categories available: purchase and other expenses. First, we will demonstrate the purchase. In the purchase option, you can select different expense heads or inventory items. Each item includes quantity, unit price, and amount. For example, we are selecting T-shirt as a purchase item. After selecting it, we enter the quantity and unit price. CoachSys automatically calculates the total amount for the purchase. Now click on the Save button to generate the purchase bill and voucher. Once the voucher is generated, CoachSys will display details such as voucher number, associated person, total amount, total paid, created by, date, and action column. Under the action column, you will find two options: Pay and View. First, click on the View option. By clicking on View, you can see the complete voucher information, payment details, and printable invoice version. This allows you to keep both digital and printed records for your organization. Now let's move to the All Expenses section. Here, all created expense entries are listed together. To complete a payment, click on the Pay option. Inside the payment panel, enter the payment amount. If there is any discount, you can apply it here. Otherwise, you may skip the discount field. After completing the form, click on Pay. Once the payment is completed, CoachSys will display a confirmation message saying, Office expenses has been updated. Now let's check the reporting system. Navigate to Reports. Click Day-to-Day Head-Wise Income and Expense Report. Inside this report, you will find the purchase entry reflected in the daily expense report. In this case, the T-shirt purchase record is now available in the report section. Next, go to the stocks. Since this purchase was inventory-based, the purchased T-shirts are automatically added to stock management. You can verify the stock quantity, entry status, and purchase date from here. If you click on the voucher number from here, it will directly take you to the voucher. From this voucher, you'll find all the payment details with complete information. Now let's demonstrate the other expenses from the expenses page. This option is designed for managing operational expenses such as utility bills, internet bills, office rent, and more. For this example, we are adding a Wi-Fi bill expense. First, select the expense head and payment month. Then enter the organization or service provider name in the person field and click on Add New Person or Entity. After that, click Save to generate the expense voucher. Once generated, the system will display the voucher number, associated organization name, and available action buttons. From Pay, enter the payment amount, apply discount if needed, add notes if necessary, and confirm the payment. After the transaction is completed, the expense status will automatically update. After that, if you revisit the day-to-day head-wise income and expense report, you will see the Wi-Fi bill expense reflected in the report section. By opening the voucher, You can review detailed transaction information, including payment amount, discount, month, unit price, and transaction history. So, this is how you can efficiently manage purchases, office expenses, stock updates, and payment tracking using the expenses in CoachSys. Thank you for watching the tutorial. See you in the next video with another important topic.